This section here is going to be the anchor area. You do not have to braid. It is so simple to follow this technique. All you're going to do is over direct the hair. That means to just pull it in the opposite direction, and then you're just going to tease right at the roots. Now you want to make sure you do this rather than clipping it on to just straight roots, because this is going to keep the wig in place. And you'll see later why it's important that the wig is staying right where you want it to stay next to your parts. And just like that, your anchor is created. It is that simple, and that is where you will be clipping the wig onto. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start to attach the unit to the area that I just teased. So I am going to start in the very front and start with that front clip. Notice how I am clipping it directly next to my part. You don't want to cover the part. You don't want to attach it where your own roots are showing. Let me get you a close-up. Look at that. Already it looks like it's coming right from my scalp. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish clipping it on. And again, I'm making sure to clip it directly next to the part and not revealing any of my own roots. You don't want any of your own hair roots to show. Okay, and so then I take the end of a rat tail comb and I just kind of shimmy, shake it. And I use that technique if there's extra hair that might be covering the parts. But look how real that looks. Now let me back up just so you can see it a little bit better. That is better. Look how legit that appears. I mean, it appears to be growing from my own scalp. It looks like it's my own roots. There are no little lace holes, no leave out that you have to worry about blending. It just looks amazing. Okay, now this is the final step. What I like to do is take small pieces of hair and then I tease right at the roots around the parting area. Now you can also do this before you install. Take really small pieces, over direct it and tease, and you will end up with this. And that is how you make it appear.